Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to file a claim or ask for replacement from kidde customer service. So first of all, you will need to remove the unit. So if you have carbon monoxide or smoke detector, both have to remove. There are different ways. Some has pin, some don't, but you just rotate it and it comes down, and then you have to unplug it from the back. So I have both the units here. So carbon monoxide combo and smoke detector both have the same details. So on here, if you see, there is a sticker. So this is the first thing you have to see. So it says replace by 2030. So if that date on your smoke detector has passed, that means it's out of warranty and you won't be able to file the claim. But if it's in the future and you change the battery, but it's still malfunctioning or giving a warning for the battery change, that means there is some issue with the unit and you can request a warranty replacement from kidde. So if you go on the back of the unit, you will see a issue number and a date. So if you see here, the issue number is 0009102 and the date is 2020 December 28. And then what you need to do is you need to call or submit a claim online on kidde.com. So to call, the number is here 1-800-880-6788, or you can go to kidde.com and submit a claim. So there you have to fill all the information, your name, email address, phone number, and the property address. And then they will ask you for the unit and issue number and the date. So once you submit that, they will contact you if they have any further questions, or they will send you a warranty replacement unit. I hope this video helped you to get your new warranty replacement for kidde. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.